Hi there folks, Colin Tyler here at Woodridge Ford, and today we're going to be looking at how to set up your Android Auto device for a Ford vehicle. The version we're going to be looking at today is Android 11, and we're going to be doing it on the Ford Sync 3.4. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is there's going to be a couple little setup processes before we get the phone into the vehicle. First things first, you're going to go into your phone and you're going to check in your main menu, if it's not already on your home screen, for the Android Auto icon. It'll be this little way right here. If you don't see it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your your Google Play Store. You're going to go in, you're going to search, and all you need to do is type in Auto. Search, and it's going to be in your first results. You'll see here Android Auto, Google Maps, and you'll hit install if it's not already installed on your phone. If you happen to see it and you're having trouble finding it, you can also just hit open here. This is going to be the first screen that comes up, is going to be your permissions screen. You're going to want to make sure all of these permissions are on, especially location, as this is going to be really crucial for using the navigation and weather features that come in the app. You're going to hit more. It's going to show you a few more options that it wants access to. It's going to give you your information, then you're going to hit yes, I'm in. On Android 11, you're going to get a message that says allow access to device's location. You can choose only this time, you can deny it, but right now we want while using the app. It's going to go in, it's going to want to set up Google Assistant, so this is going to be able to do traffic checks. It's going to be able to access your phone, text messages, music, everything you need while you're in the phone. So you're going to go continue. Oh, and one thing before we hit continue, you will see access to Google Partners for business. So again, these are just, it's making sure you know everything that's going to be going on to your phone. I'm going to hit OK. It's now going to ask you to say the line here. So it's going to say OK Google, understood. And there we go. It's simple as that to get your phone ready to work with Android Auto in a Ford vehicle. A couple other features you're going to see is when you're in your main hub, you have your microphone to speak to Google. Your menu bar here, this is going to show your settings. So if you want to change stuff, location, and all of that, it's going to be under your settings here. So you can connect a car if you're having troubles. You have all your general settings, so customize the launcher, so show what apps are going to show on the car's screen, your detection for Google and the voice apps, whether you want to automatically resume media when you've got into your car, Google options, weather, and your notifications. It's really in depth here, so I advise just go through, see the options. It's going to walk you through step by step. Android's a really nice system for this. Going back to our menu, we have about, you can see apps that are going to work with Android Auto. Going back to the app, you can get help and feedback, and you can choose to exit the app. Along the bottom here, have your button to exit, navigation through Google Maps, with easy control, easy access to your phone, and easy access to music and podcasts and other apps you may have. Now we're going to hop into a Ford Escape, plug this in and show you what it looks like on your car's info screen. Alright, so now that we have our Android Auto set up on our phone, we're going to get it set up on our Ford Sync display here. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your USB-C cable, make sure it's plugged in, plug into the bottom, you'll feel the vibration telling you it's charging, and you're going to see two screens. One is you're going to see the screen here, and it will ask you, what will Android Auto do? It will turn on Bluetooth, pair and sync your contacts with your car, and allow your car to access and display notifications from your phone. You're going to hit continue. It's going to give you the privacy policy. I'm going to go continue. And there, to start, select Android Auto on your car screen. We're now going to come up to our main screen here. You're going to see Android Auto extends the Android platform in ways, yada yada yada. Some sync services are going to be replaced, such as voice, USB, Bluetooth stereo, phone, navigation. It's going to run now from the phone. You have two choices. You can disable that if you're just looking to charge your phone, or you can hit continue, which is what we're going to do right now. It's going to take you through the privacy terms again. You're going to agree, and you're going to see the screen change.
On your way home, traffic is light as usual.
Pairing is successful, so we now know the Pixel 5 is with the Ford Escape. You can turn on 911 Assist. This is a really simple feature that will automatically attempt to call if it senses a crash. We're going to hold off on that for now because I'm not planning on driving and crashing this vehicle, just for a demonstration. And automatic contact download, which will automatically sync with the sync. I'm going to turn that off for now because we're dealing with the new car. Come on. There we are. So, swipe feature instead of touch. We're going to hit finish. For voice, got our voice button on the remote here. So, easy access. And we'll get to that in a minute. Right now, you can see it's automatically set to Google Maps. This little guy down here is going to take us home. So what we can see is our dashboard. Very different to the Apple dashboard. You're going to see at the top, most used apps. You're going to see the one that says exit. That's going to take you back to your Ford Sync control. And we'll go through that. Any apps that are compatible, settings, more music. Under the settings, you can choose to show message notifications. You can choose whether you want sound or not for those notifications, whether to automatically resume media, show weather, or access your phone screen. If you click that, you're going to have to unlock the phone screen. Easy ways to get back. One is your map, which will take you to your navigation. You have your bell that show notifications, your OK Google function, which when you say that word is going to pick up. We're going to go home for now. Again, calendars, everything that you could possibly need for your drive, including news if you want it. Phone functions are very easy, offering a hands-free option, so you can go through this way, or you can press the button. Hey Google, phone home.
Calling home. Home.
And there, it'll start phoning home. I'm going to hang up so my family doesn't wonder why I'm phoning them. See if I get a phone call back here in a minute. Maps, again, this is going to immediately sync to Google Maps. What I really like about this feature, you are getting that updated map. No worry about having to get the sync system updated, even though that is an easy process. You have all your settings, so we're going to turn on traffic and satellite. You can adjust guidance audio. So right now it's on alert, and you can play
You can
sound.
adjust the volume of the voice guidance with your car's controls, but only when it's speaking. You can adjust the volume of the voice guidance with your car's controls, but only when it's speaking.
So we now have that adjusted. Has your most recents, your home, and again, all hands-free, really easy control. Give me directions to Woodridge Ford.
Woodridge Ford Lincoln is 2 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
Sounds pretty good to me. And there we go. We're all set up, and it would start giving us step-by-step directions as we're pretty close to the store. Mainly it's outside that window. We're just gonna go home. If you're driving, cancel navigation. Simple as that. And then home. Final things we're going to touch upon is just what to do if you're having trouble setting it up, or if you want to disable it. So you'll see the Ford icon here that says exit. This is going to take you to your main screen. So that's if you want audio from the radio. Maybe you still want it. If you click Maps, it is going to take you back into Google Maps. And same with the phone, it will take you into the phone settings that the phone connected. If you want to get back to the Android Auto screen, you're just going to press the Android Auto button right here. You also see right here we have Android Auto preferences. So say you want to remove your phone, you're going to click remove Pixel 5, and we'll do that at the end of the video. You can show your Android connection. If you don't want to do that, you can turn it off, or if you want to completely disable, you just drag that. And your phone will give you a notification that says access request. Ford wants to access messages because it's disconnected. We're gonna turn that back on, and we're connected. Final thing you can do.
On your way home, traffic is light as usual.
Traffic's light. I really should be getting home. So before I do that, we're gonna go back in Android Auto. Here's another way under the settings, Android Auto, and I'm going to remove the Pixel 5. So now my phone, I just got the buzz. My phone is disconnected again. I can remove that. And we're back to normal. So hopefully this was really helpful in finding out how to use Android Auto when it comes to your Ford vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'll get back to you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and as always, woodridgeford.com, or if you're in Calgary, we're at the corner of Deerfoot and Douglasdale, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.